Good morning, class 7. In yesterday's lecture, we just have the introduction of the chapter acid, bases and salts. In that, I just gave you the introduction, what are acid, what are bases in general. But in today's lecture, what we are going to discuss about the acids in detail and about the bases also. Okay, so let's start. What are acid? The term acid comes from a Latin word that is called acidus, which means sour in taste. That means acids are the substances which are sour in taste. And I told you some example. Can you recall something? That are grapes, oranges, they are containing acid, or the lemon juice, that is a acidic substance. Some acids are edible but others are not. And what are the main characteristics of acids? That means acid are having which taste? They are sour in taste. Okay, they turn blue litmus solution to red color. What is a blue litmus solution? This is an indicator by which we can check whether a substance is acidic or basic. Whenever you are using the blue litmus solution, if it is a acid, that will turn into, the solution will turn into a red color. Okay, and very important, the property of the acid is they give H positive ions in the aqueous solution. That means they release H positive ions whenever they are dissolved in the aqueous solution. Aqueous solution means that the solution is prepared in water. Okay, like the HCl, whenever it is dissolved in water, it is going to split and it will give you H positive ions. Sulfuric acid and nitric acid, these are the examples of acid. But what type of acids are these? These are the mineral acids. They are the human made acids. They are prepared from the minerals of the earth. So these acids are known as mineral acids. I told you, and I also told you that these acids are corrosive in nature. That means they causes burning sensation. Whenever you are using these acid in laboratory, you should wear the lab coat. You should have the precautions whenever you are using such acids, because they are very dangerous. Okay, so because they are causing the burning sensation, they cause burns on our skin also. So have the precaution while using these acids. They are very strong acids and they are prepared from the minerals of earth, so they are known as mineral acids. Okay, other acids are lactic acid. हम कर्ड खाते हैं, the curd is having the lactic acid. Vinegar, सिरका आपने घर में सबने देखा है ना. हम ये जो सारे एसिड्स हैं, दे आर एडिबल, बट दीज एसिड्स आर नॉट edible. इनको हम खा नहीं सकते because they are so corrosive in nature and they are going to burn our skin also. Okay, so be careful while using all these mineral acids. Curd, that is present in which, having which acid? This is a lactic acid. Vinegar आपने सबने सुना हुआ है, there is acetic acid. Citrus fruit, I told you in the previous video that citrus fruits, they are having the citric acid like orange or the lemon. Malic acid, that is apple is having this acid. And the proteins, they are also the amino acids. They are found in plants and animals, so they are called organic acid, and they are also called natural acids, whereas mineral acids are these one. And the next is bases. What are bases? Bases, they give OH negative ion, that means they give hydroxyl ions. And whereas the acids gives which type of ion in the aqueous solution? They give H positive ions. They give a hydroxyl ion in the aqueous solution. What is their taste? They are bitter in taste. बहुत ही bitter होते हैं taste में. They are soapy and slippery to touch. And they turns red litmus solutions to blue. किस में convert कर देते हैं? Red litmus solution जो indicator होता है, उसको किस में convert कर देते हैं? Blue में. लेकिन जो acids होते हैं वो क्या करते हैं? Blue litmus को red में convert कर देते हैं. And after watching this lecture, you are supposed to write the difference between the acid and the bases. Okay, and for example, I told you that the baking soda, soap, toothpaste, this is sodium hydroxide, this is NaOH, this is KOH, potassium hydroxide, this is calcium hydroxide. So these are the bases. Okay, and above here are the acids. I hope this lecture is clear to you. What are acid? What are the characteristics of acid? What are the characteristics of base? So keep revising all the things so that the topic will be more clear to you and you are able to understand each and everything from the lecture. Thank you. Have a nice day.